Welcome back, Remodelites. Dave with Remodel Media, and I'm here in Las Vegas at KBIS, the Kitchen Bath Industry Show 2024. I'm here at the VentaHood booth, and we're talking to Jim from Pinnacle. And you guys have heard me talk about VentaHood and their Magic Lung before. I'm a big fan, always have been. American made for 100 years.
1933.
Almost 100 years. And Jim, tell us what you got.
Hello, welcome. Great entrance, David. We're happy to show you one of the greatest under cabinet hoods out there. It still houses our Magic Lung, which is the quietest and most efficient hood on the market. We have lots of capture area, a lot of challenges. We like to solve challenges for designers. A lot of people are having 12-inch deep cabinets, but you can't really get a lot of capture area in there. So we've come out with a hood that is basically panel ready, and so it tilts out for when you're cooking and you need that capture area. And we're still the quietest hood on the market. Right now we have 600 CFMs. It's on right now, which is equivalent to everybody else's 900 CFM, and you can barely hear it. Dave and I can have a conversation right now, and we can still hear what's going on while getting that grease, heat, odor, and smoke out of your house.
Yeah, listen to this.
You almost have to look in there to see if it's on.
Yeah, so, all right, now this is definitely very innovative. I've seen some panel-ready hoods that kind of slide out like a drawer, but as we've discussed before, those are not nearly as effective as this is going to be.
Capture area is really important. You want to capture all that heat, odor, grease, and smoke, and then it's very easy to clean. We've got the centrifuge motor that spins the grease out to the outsides. This is the motor box that's in there. There's two fans, and all the grease goes into the motor, and then I'm going to pull out the drip tray just to show you how easy it is to clean. So this is the drip tray. All the grease collects in there, and you can throw that right in your dishwasher. So super easy to clean, efficient, and quiet.
There you go. Jim, this is awesome. And when will this be on the market?
It is available now. Yep.
All right. What is the MSRP on something like this?
It comes in different sizes, comes in 4 colors, but anywhere between $2,000 to $2,500 would be the list price.
All right, and I can match this to my cabinets and do all of that, right?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want because the cabinet maker will make the panel. This is just basically an insert that extends for more capture area, so it can actually be a functional cabinet hood.
Awesome. All right, thank you, Jim.
Thank you, Dave. Have a great show.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next